In this video, I'm going to talk about who makes BDCOM switches and why you might consider using them. Shanghai Baud Data Communication, also known as BDCOM for short, is a company that makes networking equipment. They have 3 factories located in the sub-districts of Shanghai. Each factory specializes in a different product line. These product lines include enterprise-level switches for telecom companies, commercial-grade Layer 2 and Layer 3 switches, and affordable PoE switches for small and medium-sized office networks. Their PoE switch lineup is popular in North America since these switches can be used to power IP phones, wireless access points, and security cameras. This lineup includes a variety of switches ranging from their compact 4-port PoE switch up to their heavy-duty 16 and 24-port PoE switch. All of their PoE switches include a CCTV mode, which extends the distance you can connect a camera from 100 meters up to 250 meters. Within BDCOM's factory, they have multiple lines working to assemble, test, and package the switches. Quality control is very important in this process, as only products that pass final inspection make it to the warehouse. This is why their products are so reliable, with a less than 0.5% RMA rate. We've been selling BDCOM products for more than 4 years, and we've had very few of their switches come back for RMA. So, we can confirm that their products are in fact reliable. Not only are these switches reliable, but they are also powerful and cost-effective. All of the ports on BDCOM PoE switches provide power, unlike some other brands which only send power to half the ports. The switches also have a generous PoE budget, meaning you can max out the switch with PoE devices without overloading it. BDCOM also makes managed network switches. These switches allow you to quickly set up VLAN, QoS, static routing, and other advanced network protocols. The models that support this feature are the S2000 series switches and S3000 series routers. These can be easily deployed in a network to support a large number of users and devices. If you want to know more about BDCOM switches, you can visit their website www.bdcom.cn. You can also visit us at xlrsecurity.com since we are a leading supplier of BDCOM in Canada. If you have any questions about them, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.